and I didn't have to go and spend a fortune at the nail salon. Hey, so I'm Anosha, and today I will be showing you how I do my nails at home. A year and a half ago, I said that I wanted to learn how to do my own nails because number one, I wanted to save money. And I felt like it was just really doable. I was like, if other people could do it, why can't I do it? And that's my outlook on everything in life. If the next person can do it, I could definitely do it if I feel like it. So, and if I put my mind to it. And I have not been back to the nail salon to do my nails since. Not one time have I gone and got my nails done professionally. I go to get my feet done because that's one thing that I just like to enjoy. I can do it myself. I've done press-ons on my feet, but I just enjoy, that's like me time, that's self-care. I like to go sit in the massage chair, get it done. If you know, you know, like since I was a young girl, even if it was like my last $20, $25, because yes, you could get a pedicure for that much back then, I would be spending it on my feet because it just makes me feel good. But nonetheless, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my nails. I prepped them last night. This is how they're looking. So you always want to do a good prep. I can make a separate video about that if you want. And the nails that I'll be using today, that I have been using honestly since I started practicing, is the X-Coat Tips by BT Art Box Nails. These are my go-to. I love them. They actually sent me a sample. They send me a few samples, and I've been working with them for like a year now. And this is their new, let me see, I think this is a spring collection now. These are their boxed, like medium to long length colored French tips. Comes in all different like shades of purple. Oops, they're stuck. So these, really cute. They have range. They have all types of nails, short, long, plain, French, colored, bright. But today I'm gonna go in with this nice, pretty lavender color. All right, so let's get into it. So the best thing that you can do is to make sure that your nails are prepped properly. That's gonna help ensure that your nails stay on for a long time. No lie, these nails can last up to 3 weeks. I know that's something that they promote. For the most part, for me, it has always lasted me between 2 to 4 weeks. And like I said, I do a good nail prep. I really take my time. Practice makes perfect. Make sure that you go in with a good nail dehydrator. Check out my Amazon storefront. I have a whole folder with everything that you need for these nails. So don't fret, don't panic, don't worry. Everything that you need is there that I'm gonna use today. And you just wanna apply it on your nails. So this could take away all of the oils. Take away all of the oils. Make sure it's nice and ready. Once I put the dehydrator on, I take my nails and I size them. You want to make sure that it's not too big because you don't want to hurt yourself and spread your nail bed out. For example, this is my nail, right? If I'm over here trying to put this on, it's clearly too small. You can see the sides of my real nail peeking out. That lets you know that that nail is too small for you. So this one is good. This is the biggest size. This could work, but I feel like it might be a little too big. Now, I don't see any of my nail out with this size, and I just put it to the side. I like to do mine ahead of time before I start the real process, so then once I have everything sized out, it's just easy to go from there. Learning how to do my own nails is literally a flex. I love it because, you know, before it would be like, okay, I'm about to go out of town. I gotta squeeze this nail appointment in, and you're waiting in line. And sometimes y'all know how it could be at the nail salon. It takes forever. And now it's like I can run all my other errands. I could do whatever I want. And if I wanna just do my nails late at night, I can, because I don't have to wait on anyone and I just know how to do it. So for me, that's one of the best things, especially when it comes to me traveling. I be running around like a chicken with their head cut off. So being able to be like, oh yeah, I could just do my nails later tonight and handle everything else that I need to do. As a woman, yes, pamper yourself. No, go get things done. If I had unlimited money, trust me, I probably would be just going and getting everything done. But then there's a part of me that's like, no, I kind of enjoy doing things myself also, but knowing how, I think as a woman, it's just so important, and I'll probably make a video about it, to know how to at least do a quick 1-2 with your hair, how to do your own nails or give yourself a manicure, how to groom your eyebrows, how to do a nice, you know, all-purpose makeup look. When you can do those things, it's a great quality to have. And I think that every woman should try to take some effort to learn how to do it on a budget, whether you're on one, you're not on one, whatever. Okay, enough yapping, big yapper. Gel glue, and I'm gonna put them on the actual nail, and then I'm gonna cure it. So that's the first step. I wanna make sure you have one of these big cure lights like this, which is also my Amazon storefront. So gel glue, and you're literally just gonna polish the gel glue on your nails. Make sure it's not too much. Make sure that it is a nice, decent layer. Doesn't have to be anything overflowing. And if you guys want more tutorials or, you know, have a lot of options of all of the nails that I've done, go to my TikTok page and I have a nail playlist. You'll be set. You'll be set, I promise you. For me, I like to cure the hand for about 2 minutes. I like to over cure just to make sure that everything is nice and dried and sealed. When you put this on and put it under the light, it could heat up a little bit and get a little uncomfortable. Just, you know, take your hand out, shake it a little bit, put it back under, and do it for about a minute or two. Some people will do it for 30 seconds and a minute, and that's enough for them. But like I said, I like to make sure that they're done all the way. Okay, so our nails have been cured. We have the gel glue on them. We're gonna take the same gel glue and we are going to take our nail. So I'm gonna start with the thumbnail, some gel glue on the actual nail so you guys could see. You wanna have a good amount on there. And then the excess glue that you have, you're gonna go and just put it on the tip like that. This little light is a little solo cure light. I like to use this because it's easy to maneuver. It's long, it has a USB cable, and it's just easier to put my nail underneath it. You wanna align it so that it comes out straight and not crooked, because I've had plenty of crooked nails. And then you're gonna just press it down. Okay, make sure all those bubbles are out, and then you're gonna just lock it in that cure light. You can have it on for about 30 seconds. Some people do like 15 seconds, but 30 seconds for the most part is enough. If you wanna make sure that everything is good, you can do it for a minute if you like, whatever floats your boat. That's enough pressure. And I just put it underneath the light. And then you just repeat that same process for the rest of the nails. So now these are the nails. They're nice and secure and on. But when you remove them from the packaging, they have like the little excess nail nubs. You'll have some excess glue that will come up, and you just take a cuticle clipper. That's what I do. And I'll just use that to cut the tips off. Sometimes it's not too much. And then you just ever so gently Like you see that buildup right there from the nail. I'm gonna just take this and pop it off. And the glue comes right off. Because a lot of girls will write me like, oh my gosh, what do I do? I use too much glue. All you gotta do is peel it off softly. Now there have been times where I was a little too rough or the glue was kind of too much and it kind of lifted the nail up a little bit. I mean, don't panic. Like I said, practice makes perfect. Although I've been doing my nails for like over a year now, I make mistakes sometimes still, but it's not the end of the world. And the good thing about learning how to do your own nails is that then you know how to fix it. Or if you don't like it, you could just keep them for a few days and then take them off. So got that clip, and then just file it just a little bit. When you're using French or color, you just want to be careful, because if you file too close to the color, sometimes they'll come off. So just want to be a little gentle with it. Just a little bit to get those little nubs off. Okay. Going in with some builder gel. This helps strengthen the nail and helps them last long, to be honest with you. When I first started doing my nails, I was not using builder gel. And when I started using builder gel, I saw the significant difference. So when you apply this, you're gonna put it on like a regular coat, but you're gonna make sure that when you apply it, you put it on the sides of the nails and on the tip of the nail, okay? So let's get into that. So I just put a nice little even coat. The only thing that I will say, try not to put too much builder gel to the point it's like really thick, spilling over to the sides, because that can cause peeling eventually if it's too much. So you see how I put the even layer on the nail? Then you want to make sure that you go onto the sides and make sure you get a nice little layer there. And then I like to just take it and just put some here on the tip, and then just do one here, and then I go back and do another coat here, so everything is nice and even. And you're gonna just repeat that on all of your nails. And once it's on, oops, you gotta move quick, because if you got hair or lint around, child, it will pick up on everything. But yeah, this is how it looks with the builder gel, and then I'm gonna cure it for about 2 minutes. The last coat is gonna be our top coat. And once again, you want to just make sure that you're putting an even layer on, but nothing that's too much to the point that it's OD on top coat, because your nails will peel, and that's what you want to avoid. So just a nice even layer, nothing too much. If you feel like you have too much on the nail, I like to just go back in here, take whatever off, brush a few times, take the rest off, brush a few times just to get that excess product off. And just repeat that on all the rest of my nails. And then we're gonna cure it for about another minute, 2 minutes, cure it however long, because this is the last thing before you put your cuticle oil on and head out the door to show off your nails. Yeah. When you're all done with your nails, this is how they are looking with the top coat. You wanna go in with a cuticle oil. Any type of cuticle oil works. I got this on Amazon. I like these kind because you literally can just twist the dial and it pushes the oil out, and it has a brush, and I literally just put it on my cuticles. Get that oiled up real nice. And I just rub it in. I like to sometimes take some excess and put it on my little ashy hands. And this is the end result of my nails. And I didn't have to go and spend a fortune at the nail salon. They're on. These bad boys are probably not gonna come off. Be careful when you put the fresh set on, because it is pretty sharp, like really sharp. Not really sharp, but you know what I mean. Just like if you were to go to the nail salon and get a fresh set, like, it's sharp. But I love these nails. I love this lavender color. I love the length. This just makes being able to, thank you, do stuff like that. It just, I feel like that little emoji with the lashes, even though my lashes aren't on with the nails, it's just an elevated experience when you have nails and you can just, some people don't like that, the clacking. I love it. It's just a little razzle dazzle to the conversation. But yeah, this is how I do my nails all the time. Don't be afraid to try something new. Try it. Try once. Spend the money, buy the products. I have so many people that have tried, friends, my mom even tries to do her nails now. It's nice to know that if something really quick happens, you can do it. You could do it with some quick glue, or you can do it in a way where it's gonna last you like 2 to 3 weeks. Don't be afraid, give it a try, bet on yourself, and who knows, you might be great at it and then you're just doing your nails, saving money, and trying different designs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know how you feel about these nails in the comments. Do you like them? Did I miss out on a step? Is there anything else you want to see? Do you have any questions for me? And if you want all of these products, I made it easy for you. Click the DIY nail folder on my Amazon storefront. Everything you need, including different nail designs, is there, okay? So I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. See ya.